Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I have a box. It's in a bag though. It's from PreCuts. This is their box. So we're going to open it up and see what's in there. It is now December 4th and this came yesterday. So I'm gonna assume this is the December box. It might be November. By the time I post a video, I should have known. Oh, it says November right there. Okay. PreCuts. This is the classic box, so I did switch from the modern to the classic. Let's try this for a little bit. The fabric of the month is designed by Corey Yoder. Looks like that's the pattern. The little butterflies. We'll learn more about that. Let's dive into this month's box. We're so excited to unbox Cozy Up by Corey Yoder for Motive Fabrics, along with valuable notions. And the pattern is called by Running Dough Quilts. It's a very easy to follow quilt pattern, and we've sent you the main fabric you need for this. So that's what that is. So here's the line. We're going to actually see it in person. Also included in the box, we've got the kaleidoscope quilt pattern, an extra 1.5 yards of Cozy Up fabric. It looks like it could be one of those colors, and they've got values here. So sorry, jumping ahead a little bit. So 12 fat quarter bundle is $46. The kaleidoscope quilt pattern is a $2 pattern, $2 value. The extra 1.5 yards is a $6.75 value. And then Lori Holt Christmas magnets are in here for $9.98 is their retail value. We have a canvas tote bag valued at $14.98. It says sewing makes me happy, and so do dogs. This is so me. All right, we also get the silk finish 50 weight thread. It looks like ash mist is what that is called. And then the $4, the shipping they value at $9.30. So we have a total value of the box of $93.01. Then we also have a block of the month in here. So we've got block 10 and coupons, which we won't share. But let's dive into our bag. Oh, it's cute. Very cute. I love being able to reuse things. So that's what that is. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I guess I didn't have to do it that way. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So we don't have a ton of notions. That's okay with me. Let me zoom in. I apologize. Let's go a little closer. There we go. So here's our fabrics. Let's just jump right in and open them up. Okay. We have this one. Oh, I love the oranges and the peaches. Orange and green, nice, neutral, earthy, coordinating, beautiful. And it looks like there's some gray, like a charcoal or an ash. This has little words in there. These are, looks like flowers and trees in there. And now we're coming to the green. So now we've got this in 3 different colorways so far. Well, let's make it a little easier. I should look up a little more often, huh? Alright. This is a teeny tiny little polka dots, and it has basically all the colors of this line. So it looks like it's kind of an ivory color background, but it has kind of a gold and I want to say peach and sagey green. I don't think there's gray in there, but it's beautiful. Okay, this looks like little acorns. Yeah, this will be really pretty together. And hopefully you can still see all this. We've got one more. Okay, this is a different shade of green. This is more like an olive green or a Kelly green, and this is kind of a sage green, a little more on the teal side. But there's the whole line right there. And it did say you get an extra 1.5 yards of fabric, and I think they meant 1/2 yard because this looks like a 1/2 yard and the price on that would make sense. I think that was just a typo in the book. Oh, you get 1/2 yard cut. Does that make sense? Yeah. So this is the fabric that we have, which is the little dots, but it's in a solid. And so this is the coordinating color that goes with it. Here's our thread and our tote. And I got a tote from her not too long ago, a couple months ago, and I use it like almost every day. Sewing makes me happy, and so do dogs, and seriously, Bill's and my husband, the top of my list. Sorry about all that noise. Okay. Ta-da! So cute. Okay, and then the very last thing besides the pattern, so here's our pattern, are these cute magnets. Let's see if I can get them in the viewfinder. So they're cozy Christmas magnets. There's 9. They're 1 1/4 each. They're by Lori Holt, and they're just cute little Lori Holt style buttons from Riley Blake Designs. Yeah, adorable. So there's a lot of stuff here. I think this is great. Now I paid with tax $59.13. I cannot remember what the tax is on this. I want to say it's about $55 before tax. So that's the cost of the box. I will put the hashtag below as well as their website, and hopefully you can check this out yourself if you don't already have it. Wow, this is just fun. The block of the month, can you see that? That looks like a snowflake. That looks complicated, but it's so not. That's what I love about these. Alright, there's a mock of what the quilt looks like using the fabrics. Yeah, so I guess that's it. I've gone through everything. Let me know what you think. Thanks for sticking by. Talk to you soon. Bye. Here's an overview of everything from the box. Back quarters, 1/2 yard fabric, thread, block of the month, pattern, and magnets, as well as this bag. It is a tote bag with a zipper on the top.